In this tip, we'll see a few examples for the next built-in function. This helps to retrieve the next item of iterators. For example, consider the output of the dir function applied on pupil. Our goal is to get only the methods that don't have double underscores. So let us build a generator expression. So we need to filter out methods that have double underscores. So now let us see what happens when you use the next function on this iterator. So you will get the next item. We can apply this function again and one more time. So now you will get StopIteration exception. So that's because this particular iterator has been exhausted. Let's see another practical example. I'm going to import the random module. Consider this list of 5 names. I'm going to randomly shuffle this. Note that a list is an iterable but not an iterator. First we need to create an iterator using the iter built-in method. So now when you use the next function, you will get a random name from this list without repetition. As seen earlier, you will get the StopIteration exception when the iterator is exhausted. Instead, you can pass a second argument to the next function so that it will return this value instead of the StopIteration. So 3 times we will get 1 character each. The 4th time we will get this default value instead of the exception. Hope you enjoyed this tip.